Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we have some very important news for those of you participating in the Nodepay project. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss the crucial information I'm about to share. Here's the announcement from the project. Your final opportunity before TG. We're excited to announce that Season 2 will now be included in the initial airdrop. This bonus season gives you one last chance to earn points and secure a larger share of the rewards. Why this matters? Originally, only Seasons 0 and 1 were part of the first airdrop. But after hearing your feedback and recognizing the value of our community's ongoing contributions, we've decided to include Season 2 as well. Rest assured, this won't dilute the rewards set aside for Seasons 0 and 1. Season 2's inclusion is simply an extra bonus, ensuring all your efforts are fully acknowledged. Key next steps: earn Season 2 points. Keep earning until the season ends to boost your initial allocation. Connect your wallet. If you haven't already, now's the time. If it's connected, just keep earning. Airdrop allocation checker, coming soon, so you can see your rewards that you will receive tokenomics release. Full details are on the way. TG and claiming instructions. We'll provide a simple walkthrough on how to claim and stake your tokens. Looking ahead, after the initial airdrop and TG, a new era of Nodepay will begin. Season 3 will bring a whole new chapter of earning opportunities, products, and community-driven AI development. By including Season 2, we're making sure everyone who's helped build Nodepay can share in this milestone. Your dedication has brought us here, and together, we're one step closer to owning the future of AI. Important reminder: wallet addresses are final. If you connected your wallet during Seasons 0 or 1, this wallet is final and cannot be changed. If you have not yet connected a wallet, please double-check before doing so. Once connected, it cannot be updated. Participants in the project, please follow the official announcements from the project. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to the channel to receive more quality content in the future. Sincere thanks.